We have handpicked a £480,000 school enabling works contract that matches your company's services and location, for which submissions are now urgently invited. Services: construction of a new car park, including EV charging and demolition works reference, COV 23252. Notable features: award criteria weighting 70% cost and 30% quality, contracting authority, Coventry City Council duration, 2 months and 7 days deadline to bid, the 15th of September 2025. This is just one of many lucrative public sector contracts tailored for businesses like yours. Get instant access now. Download the full contract details, no hassle, no searching.